How to change currency in KuCoin application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to view prices in your local money instead of USD in KuCoin, you can easily switch between the currency display setting. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside Settings, choose Currency option and select the currency you want to change to from the list. After making the selection, you will be able to see your currency display changed. The app will automatically update prices in your chosen currency from now onwards. Now your KuCoin app will show all prices and balances in your preferred currency, making it much easier to understand your portfolio. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.